Welcome to Garden Dreams and DIY Schemes. Today, my hubby is going to be showing you how to install drip tape. Leave me a comment if this video helps you out in your garden. So first, he's cutting the PVC pipe that goes to the raised bed the size that we need it. Next, he adds purple primer to the PVC pipe and to the socket end of the elbow. After adding the primer to both ends, give it a little bit of time to dry or to turn tacky. Next, he's going to put the PVC cement, and you put the majority of the PVC cement onto the PVC pipe and just a little on the socket end of the elbow, because when you push it in, if a lot of it is inside the elbow, it'll go up into the elbow as opposed to the majority of the glob going outside the PVC.
All right, next is this. So we're gonna do this tape. Actually, you don't even need the tape, but I'm gonna do it anyways. Nice little desk now.
That desk he's using is the cover to our water filter. If you want to know how to install a water filter or this cover, click on the links above, or I'll attach links in the description area.
You want to put it clockwise, because when you go clockwise here, you won't fight the tape. You won't start stripping the tape out.
So after waiting a minute or so for the glue to dry and adding the thread seal tape, he twists on the pressure reducer. There's a pressure rating on the drip tape I bought between 8 to 15 pounds, which is why he put the 15 psi regulator at the end of the raised bed, because if there's too much pressure, it could burst the tape. There's also another pressure regulator at the irrigation valve along with the filter to eliminate the chances of your drip tape getting clogged with any tiny particles. If you want to see a video on this, click on the link above. And now he's putting the thread seal tape on the pressure regulator.
And when you do put it, you just want like a
2 layers.
not even like 1.5.
Oh.
They're very specific on what they want, but it's just kind of eyeballing it.
Who's they? The government?
The government. Yeah.
Just kidding.
So the new ones, are plastic to plastic. They say you don't even need these tapes.
But my hub likes to be extra. So this is the adapter valve, which has a cool shut-off switch for the water. And this is a drip tape we're installing. I got it at dripdepot.com, as well as everything else you see in this video. Next, he's going to attach this 3/4 inch polyethylene irrigation tubing. And here's a big no-no. Don't let that tubing touch the ground, because you could get debris inside the tubing and that could clog everything. So if you do this, it's a great practice to flush that out prior to installing the drip tape. Next, push it into the adapter valve and twist the Power-Loc adapter to hold it into place. And then again, cut it to size if need be and attach this 90-degree elbow. He's opening these drip end closures and attaching it to the end of the piping so that the water stops there. This is what it looks like. And now you can attach it to the elbow at the other end. Now he's marking where he's going to add the drip tape, and this depends on how far apart you want yours for your bed. He inserts the hole with an irrigation tube hole puncher and adds in the tubing Takeoff adapter. I added some paper towels into the open ends so that the dirt wouldn't get inside as he's working. You could instead attach the drip tape right after every adapter if you'd like, but he placed all of the adapters first and then the drip tape last.
So there's a thicker opening, smaller opening. Go through the smaller opening. We'll fold it against itself a couple of times. Pull it through. Alright. So now go here. Go as far in as I can. And then hold on to it as you tighten it.
Twist the green part.
And that should be perfect.
Rinse and repeat and attach all your drip tapes to the adapters. Don't forget to put those end locks on there as well. And he installed my drip tape. You could do it too. Let me know in the comments if you do. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.